What's up, YouTube? Just got down to the shop. I got a few clients today. I'm gonna do a live, YouTube live, and maybe Instagram live. Y'all about to get this work. Oh. Let's go on. So yeah, we got a high temp fade, 1.5 with the length. So first we're gonna comb our client out, make sure we got a clean canvas. We're gonna start with our balding trimmers. Then next we're gonna use our Oster Model 10 detachables to go ahead and knock that bulk down to 1.5. We're gonna do this all around just to get that canvas even and clean. Next we're gonna go in with our 3-op just to clean that first guideline out. We want to keep that fade consistent all the way around. Now we're gonna go ahead with the OA. And as you can see, this fade already becoming blurry as we speak, and we still at the beginning of this thing. Now we got our 1. We just gonna keep that thing consistently moving all around, applying pressure over and over again. Same thing, brush 1, cut 1. Now we got our 1A. And it's the same thing, it's repetitive, baby. Now we got the 1.5. And this is where that blend starts to change the game. You see how it's going from skin to that thickness of that 1.5 with the grain. And now since we did the 1.5 with the grain, to knock that top guideline out, we got to use the 2 against the grain. That's going to give us that nice blend. I got to remember to put that camera on autofocus because these blends so blurry, it's making the camera go in and out of focus for no reason at all. Now we go to do our cleanup trigger work with the Andes Masters. We started off with the 0 guard, all the way closed. And as you can see, we just working that trigger back and forth, just making sure there's no bulk in that fade. Now this is where that pressure get applied. Gotta hit them with the hold and spray. Use the blow dryer to dry it off. We want to freeze that hairline, making sure we get that immaculate sharpness. Work side to side. Then we know we got to hit the vertical bars just to give it that extra box shape. And then we're going to clean up whatever stubble on the forehead there, you know? Now we in the back. We're going to hold the ear down so we can get that nice smooth transition around the ear. Now this is where we change the game. The Tune 45, no drip, and be careful because application is everything. We got our Barber Magic pencil. I actually need to get another one. This joint like a nub. Now we're gonna apply the Tune 45 shaving gel just to clean up that overspray from the holding spray. As you can see, this blend is looking crazy. He been my client for a minute. I was cutting hair at Morehouse College. But he one of my clients that has skipped the whole summer, won't get no cut until he come back. I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe below. Tell me what you thought about that high temp fade.